Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, that is Techaruna. And I hope all of you know that I am running a series on Canva. So, in today's episode, we are going to see the magic switch, that is magic grab. So, let us go to the homepage of Canva and then click on create a design, and you are going to enter a Instagram post square. So now we are with a empty or blank template. So we are going to add some designs over here. So let me go to the first, let me change the color of this so that it will be visible whatever we do very clearly. And then next one, I'm going to add a road. So here we go. We are with some good, but then in graphics I'm not getting much, so I'm going to photos. So I'm having some of the beautiful roads. I'm going to choose one. I think I should go for this one, which is looking very good. So I'm going to just settle it so that I can accommodate another picture from which I can show you the grab option. Fine. So here it is. Now I'm going to go for scooter with maybe couple. Let us see what comes up. Yeah, I am liking this one very much. So I'm going to click this and then I'm going to set it here. Now I'm just choosing this picture and I'm going to edit photo. You'll see the magic now how this happens. Now here you can see this option magic grab. So click on that. It is going to choose the image for us to grab it. So it has chosen this. Now we can easily from this second image, I can just grab this couple and I can place it here. Now it is not looking much good. Now I don't want the second image. I'm deleting it. Now I am going to expand the first image bigger so that I can settle the chosen image. Now here we go. We are going to choose this and then we are going to place it here. Now what magic this magic grab has done, you can understand. Now you can see as if these couple, they are traveling in a beautiful road. This is the magic of magic grab. I hope this is helpful for you to create better designs, and in case if you like it, click the button like. If you have any suggestions, do write to me in the comment box. That's all for today, and thank you for watching.